What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Now in this video, guys, I'll be demonstrating how to do a mid drop. As you can see, my client, his hair naturally goes back, so what we're gonna do is pretty much trim the top and give it a little bit of volume, so stay tuned. Now for my next step, as you can see, I'm actually starting from the front. Now the reason why is because my client wants the front to be a little bit longer than the back, and also just to give it that shape of, you know, kind of more like a pompadour, but you know, just to give it that volume, you know. But as you can see, guys, I did start from the front and just working myself going back. Okay, you guys, so after cutting the top, my next step, what I like to do is it's, you know, style the hair. Now the reason why it kind of gives me an idea on how the fade is going to come out, I like to style it so that way it can give me that shape of whatever fade that I'm gonna do, and it just makes it much easier, you know, to give it that, like I said, like to give it that shape and also do the fade. Okay, now to create my first guideline, I'm using my andis corliss eyeliners, starting from the side and bringing it down all the way to the back. Now with my wall shavers, I would just bald out pretty much what I'm doing, I'm just balding out the rest of the side and the back, and kind of kind of going up, just I want to say just beneath that previous guideline. Not really going up on that previous guideline, but just enough where I can come back with my trimmers, and it will be much easier for me to get rid of that bald line. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to create another guideline using my wild corliss seniors, with the number 1 guard, with the lever all the way open, going up about an inch, just going, kind of scooping out at the same time, just to soften out that guideline as well. Okay, you guys, so with the lever all the way open, pretty much what I'm gonna do is create another guideline. Now, by creating this guideline, is also gonna be another way for me to get rid of that initial guideline, which is the very bottom guideline. And as you can see, guys, I'm just pretty much giving myself enough room to get rid of that bottom line. Now, to get rid of that previous guideline that I created with an open lever, at this point right now, as you can see, I'm pointing the very bottom line. I'm going to be closing the lever I'm going to be closing the lever, up and down, trying to get rid of that bottom line. Now with the 1/16 guard, I'm gonna start off with the open lever, and pretty much what I'll be doing is, just the guideline that I just pointed out. I'm gonna be, softening that guideline out, and just closing the lever little by little, until you're starting to see that guideline fade out. Now for my next step, I'm gonna go ahead and do a clip or a comb, just to kind of soften out that that guideline, and also just to bring down some of the bulk from the side. But as you can see, you guys, I'm just pretty much just combing down the hair down and just trying to take out the bulk and blend as much as I can. Okay, so if you ever have trouble with the clip or over comb, it's always good to come back. So as you can see how I started with my number 1 guard with an open lever, I did realize that I wasn't able to get rid of the, I got rid of some of the bulk, but I wasn't able to get rid of that guideline. So I am back with my number 1 guard with an open lever, and now pretty much what I'm doing is closing the lever up and down, and getting rid of this guideline just by using the corners and like I said, up and down, and just scooping down, not trying to create guidelines. Okay, you guys, so on my last video I did post that I did say I was going to do a giveaway. So on my Instagram I posted a picture of the trimmers and the instructions. So if you haven't seen my post, be sure to check out my Instagram at Barber. So that way you can be able to win these free trimmers, and I'm also going to be giving out that free comb. I know a lot of people have been asking about it, so that comb is also going to be included. So good luck. Okay, now to make this haircut stand out a little bit more, actually applying some hair dye. Now if you ever wonder how I mix my paint, I do 50-50, meaning I do half paint and half alcohol. Just mix it and test it out, and making sure it shoots out nice and even and not spotty, meaning spitting out thick paint pretty much, making sure everything comes out nice and even. Alright, you guys, well, this is the cut. If you guys end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're new to my channel, you guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you won't miss none of my tutorials. But another thing, if you're one of those people that's just gonna sit there, you know, and write bad comments, whatever, honestly, I'm not gonna read your comment. I'm gonna delete your comments, so don't waste your time. Just skip my video. But anyways, you guys, stay blessed.